This is a back door. I'm not even going to attempt to open it. This was the shady back door from outside. I'm afraid to open this one, but I'll do it because Tom is with me. Oh no, it's a basement. Oh.
That is the creepy basement.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here, Tom. I don't like basements.
Shall we go down there? I'll go down first.
Okay, you go first. And then what's this, a bathroom? Oh,
Yeah.
Toilet leaked. Little tiny sink. Oh, God. Are they weak?
Well, it's not that they're weak. I mean, if they can hold me, they can hold anybody, but a little on the steep side.
Garage. I don't know. Do what? Fireplace in the basement? I'll be right there. I'm checking out the electrical panel. I don't know, guys. I know you guys have skills, so this, I don't know. Okay, let's go save Tom.